This is how I use Plarn, also known as plastic yarn. First I take a grocery bag and I turn it into yarn, and then I take the yarn and I turn it into this thing. This is the beginning of a round rug or mat, and the best part is it doesn't require any tools. I use nothing but my fingers. You asked for more Plarn content, so here we go. First, I'm going to take my yarn and I'm going to make a slip knot by wrapping the yarn around my index finger twice, and then I'm going to pinch the long end with my middle finger and thumb. Then I'm going to take the back loop and pull it over the front loop, and then I'm going to take the back loop again, and this time I'm going to pull it over the front loop and my finger. Then I'm going to take the long end and pull it tight. For the chains, I'm going to put 2 fingers of my right hand through the loop, grab the yarn, and then I'm going to use my fingers on my left hand to pull the yarn off the right hand. And just keep doing that until we get to the end of this thing. So I have to admit, I got really excited that everyone else got excited about the Plarn video. I didn't realize that the way I say Plarn can be inappropriate, but it is what it is. I'm pretty sure I almost got that out of my system. I just have to say it a couple more times. But the comments on that video were awesome because, I don't know if you know this, I am a certified crochet instructor. Yes, that's a thing. And I am a crochet designer. And if there are people who want to know more patterns that they can use with Plarn, I can make those. And I'm one of those people who get their self-worth from helping others. So it's a win-win. But for this first one, I didn't want to use crochet. I wanted to make something that you didn't need any tools for. So that's why we're chaining a bunch of times. And when you're done with this, Okay, so I'm just going to roll it up into a ball of yarn. And then I'm going to do it again. So I'm going to wrap it around my index finger twice. And then I'm going to take the back loop and pull it over the front loop. And then I'm going to take the back loop and pull it over the front loop and off my finger. Then I'm going to take the long end and pull it tight. And then again, I'm going to use my 2 fingers on my right hand to insert into the loop, hold the yarn, and then use my left hand to pull it off the right hand. And keep doing that. Fun fact, if your fingers get tired doing this, you can use a crochet hook, and then you can officially say that you are a crocheter because you're making chains. But that's it for the first part. Unfortunately, I couldn't get it all into one part. I'm going to put it in the comments, though, right away. This isn't going to be a like and follow for part 2 thing. But the assembly is going to be in the comments. So there you go.